Okay, so this is activity number 6, separation of the basic constituents into groups. So we are done with the experiment, but we will be discussing now the principles behind this one and then the correct answers also to the activities. However, again, I'll be collecting the worksheets after the exam na lang. So you may use it to study. Okay? So the elements class in the periodic table can be classified into different ways. In the lecture class, number 1, we follow the periodic table that was arranged according to their atomic numbers, okay, or even their atomic weights. So the modern periodic table that we are using currently was developed by Dmitry Mendeleev. Again, yan yung arranged through atomic weight or even atomic number. So in the lecture, yan yung pinag-aaralan natin sa lecture, the elements and then their respective compounds. However, in the laboratory, we are going to use the classification of the elements according to their reactions, okay, and properties of the ions. So again, yan yung gagamitin natin ha. We are going to follow the second classification in which ions are grouped together according to their reactions to specific reagents and at the same time their properties as ions. Okay, their properties as a whole. So ito yung ginawa ninyo sa laboratory. We used 5 ions there. We have silver, copper, zinc, barium, and the sodium. By the way, these ions are in their salts actually. Nakasalt ito. Wait lang, isulat ko siya. Start na ako sulat. Nakasalt ito class and they are all in their nitrate na salt. So like for example, silver is naka-silver nitrate ito kasi they don't exist in nature as free ions. So definitely naka-compound sila with another negatively charged, this one polyatomic ion. So si copper naman is naka-copper nitrate and then si zinc naka-nitrate din siya. So, zinc nitrate din. And then, barium also. Barium. Barium nitrate. And the sodium is sodium nitrate. Okay, so naka-nitrate form ito sila when we use them in the laboratory. So, magkaibang test tube ito ha. So, yung first natin ginamit na reagent was 2N hydrochloric acid. The 2N there indicates the concentration. Capital letter N means normal or yung normality na tinatawag. Gusto mo niya akong pen? Okay. Wait lang. Normality ng letter N ha. Okay, this is normality. Okay, so it's not included in the chemical equation. That is just class the concentration of the hydrochloric acid used during the experiment. Okay? Again, wag niyo yan siyang isali. Hindi yan siya coefficient. It's concentration. Now, when we use the 2NHCl, we observed ano yung ion na nag-precipitate. Okay? Ano ba yung ion na nag-precipitate dito? Based on your experiment, let me know. Manawag ko ha. Kasi hindi kayo this finals. Walang reporting na maganap this finals. So I'll be discussing the activity. So manawag ko for your participation in the laboratory. Or if you want to answer, you may raise your hand. And then, please wait for my acknowledgement para may grado kayo. Yes, Cesar. Anong element ito? You may speak.
Silver po.
Okay, silver. So, ang first ng ion na nag-precipitate was the silver. What was the color of the precipitate? Anyone? Yes, Christine.
White po, ma'am.
Okay, white. Very good. Wait lang. Katsingon kiko. Okay, next. So after that class, 'di ba? We transferred the other ions in an evaporating dish and then evaporated to dryness. Yung purpose niyan, bakit siya i-evaporate is to get rid of the HCl kasi nga dinagdagan natin siya ng HCl kanina, 'di ba? Okay? So to get back again the remaining compounds kasi nga wala na itong silver nitrate, so yung iba na lang yung magpadayon. After that, after evaporating to dryness, nag-drop tayo ng concentrated HCl and then 39 drops na water. Okay, again, to get again the ions. And then after that, our second reagent was this one, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Okay, so this time naman, anong ion ang nag-precipitate? Yes, Janelle.
Copper po.
Copper. Okay, so this is copper here. Anong color naman ito? Yes, Erica.
Black po, ma'am.
Okay, it's black. Black, no? Delete ko muna ito. Please copy first, ha? Please copy. Kasi mag-move ako ng page. Madalam na siya sa ilalim if i-move na ko ang page. Good. So please copy this one. And then let's move on. Wala kong ilang. Sige. So, dito tayo sa baba. Tama ba? Sa baba na? Yan, sa baba na. Sige. Now, the next thing, after na-precipitate ang copper, so ano naiwan natin? Zinc, barium, and the sodium. So, dito naman, nagpatuloy yung ating experiment here, ha? So, mag-filter talaga yan to get again the ions. This time naman, we use this reagents here. We have the first one, ammonium chloride. Tapos, ginawa siyang alkaline or basic by adding ammonium hydroxide. And then, sinaturate again with hydrogen sulfide. So, since we don't have hydrogen sulfide in the laboratory, what we did during the saturation was we added, 10% tayo acetamide and then di ba gi-boil natin. If you can still remember our experiment. So after boiling, ayan, meron na yan siyang hydrogen sulfide. So, after that, we observed again anong ion ang nag-precipitate nito. What was the ion again? Yes, Ivoret.
Zinc po, ma'am.
Zinc. Okay. And then, anong color? Yes, Andrew?
White po.
Okay, so we have here white. Okay? Ayan, so na-cross na natin yung zinc. So meron dalawa na lang na naiwan. Now, after that, evaporate na naman ha to get rid of the reagents na ginamit sa taas and para ma-concentrate agad natin yung mga remaining ion. So after evaporating to dryness, nag-add ng ammonium hydroxide. Actually, we don't have ammonium hydroxide at that time. We just used ammonia. But anyway, the interaction between ammonia and ammonium hydroxide, and water, I mean, will just yield ammonium hydroxide. And then after that, nag-add ng ammonium carbonate and then the 95% ethyl alcohol. So this time, what ion was precipitated? So, pwede ko natawag. Yes, Shaira.
Barium po.
Okay, barium. Okay, and what color was the precipitate? Yes, Monica.
White po, ma'am.
White. Okay, so this is also white. So what ion was left? Yes, Angel. Ay, Angela de ay.
Sodium po, ma'am.
Okay, so ang naiwan was sodium. So I hope your answer there in the activities were all correct when it comes to the observation. So let's have the table. Let's transfer the answers here sa taas sa ating table. So ganito ito ha, yung pagsagot nito. Nakapasunod lang yun sa class based sa elements na nag-precipitate. So the first one, di ba, was silver, tapos copper, and then zinc, and then we have barium, and the last one was sodium. Pag sa group number, so di ba I told you sa lecture, we will follow the groupings sa periodic table. So like group 1A are alkali metals, halina kay ruby, and then we have cesium and francium. Pero sa laboratory, we group them according to their reactions to our precipitating reagent. So, yung pagpasunod dito, pasunod lang din ang group number ha. So, hindi ito nakabase sa periodic table. Nakadepende ito sa kung nag-precipitate sila sa reagents or wala. So, first thing, we have here the silver. Unahin muna natin si silver ha, and then we will move on to the other ions later. Sige. So what was again the precipitating reagent of our silver based doon sa ating experiment? Yes, Angelica?
HCl po, ma'am.
Okay, that was the HCl. Okay, to be exact, that was 2N. The concentration was 2N. Okay, so ang equation natin nito, ano lang ito, ion plus the precipitating reagent ha. So our ion was silver, pero that was in the form of silver nitrate. Tapos, yung ating reagent was hydrochloric acid. Okay, again, wag na isama yung 2N kasi that was just the concentration. So, anong klaseng reaction ito? What type of reaction is this? Silver nitrate plus hydrochloric acid. Yes. How do I call you, Miss Bermudez? Asking pangalan.
Aya po, ma'am.
Ha? Sorry?
Aya po.
Aya, okay, Aya. Sige. What type of reaction is this?
Double displacement reaction po.
Okay, very good. That's double displacement. So exchange partner sila. So give me one product for this one since exchange partner sila. Yes, Rachel. Isa lang.
AgCl po, silver chloride.
Okay, AgCl. So since 'di ba our equation is silver nitrate plus hydrochloric acid, mag-exchange partners sila. Positive and negative ha. Positive and negative yung magpartner. So ang positive here ang magpartner sa kabila. So that is why we have the AgCl. What was the other product? Yes, Joraj. Anong other product natin ito?
HNO3 po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. That's HNO3. So we have H here, and then ang naiwan na negatively charged sa kabila is NO3. So AgCl plus HNO3. Now, question. Do we need to balance this one? Again, do we need to balance this or this is already balanced? Ito yung hindi ko natawag dito. Rufa. Balance na, hindi pa. Wala? Ay, ano man? Wala akong marinig. Yung may answer sa chat box, Rufa, ko, hindi mag-work yung mic mo. Sige daw, ulitin mo daw, Rufa. Am I audible? Or is Rufa audible? Or ako lang yung hindi makarinig? I think I have a problem with the speaker of my laptop. Balance na po. Okay. So this is already balanced. Therefore, we don't need to balance this equation anymore. Now, next, moving on, name and color of the precipitate. So, yung precipitate product, ito ha. So, makikita natin ito sa product na side of the equation. So, dalawa lang yung products natin, silver chloride and nitric acid. So, what do you think is the precipitate for this equation? Yes, Ella.
The silver chloride po, ma'am.
Okay, the precipitate here is the silver chloride. So, lagyan ko siya ng arrow ha. Pag ang arrow na yan, pag may arrow down nakalagay, meaning precipitate yan ha. Yan yung indication na it is the precipitate. Pag makakita kayo ng equation tapos sa tabi ng chemical formula merong arrow down, meaning yan precipitate siya. So, the name again is, AgCl is silver chloride. So, no need for the Roman numeral ha, kasi isa lang ang charge ng silver. So, anong color nito again? Ang color ng silver chloride. Yes, Rika.
Colorless po, ma'am.
Color? Oops.
Colorless po.
Colorless? Is this colorless? During the experiment, Beda, Katrina, anong color yon?
White po, ma'am.
Okay, so please take note ha, the precipitate is color white. Okay, so that is for the silver. So again, please take note, silver belongs to the group number 1 in the laboratory. Tapos, ang reagent ng silver is hydrochloric acid. Okay, I'll give you later the other elements na belong sa group 1. Okay, now let's move on sa copper. Ano nga yung precipitating reagent natin sa copper? Hindi ko natawag dito. Let me check. Kasi pa kung wala na dunggan. Natawag ko na si Shaira kanina, no? Si Iverette din, si Ella, si Angela. Natawag ko na yan kanina. Sino yung hindi ko narinig here? Eunice. Eunice? What is
Yes, ma'am.
ano ang precipitating reagent ng copper? Look at your answer sa taas. Before sa table. Anong substance yon?
HS2 po.
Yeah, H2S, baliktad.
H2S.
H2S. That is hydrogen sulfide ha. We call this hydrogen sulfide. Okay, so let's make the equation for this. So copper nitrate class, copper nitrate man itong ginamit natin, plus the H2S. So, anong klaseng reaction ito? Again, what type of reaction ito? Ewan pa kung hindi narinig. Nagsa tas mga wala pa na ako nadunggan. Noeline. I think hindi ko pa narinig si Noeline. Yes. Anong type of reaction ito?
Double displacement po, ma'am.
Okay, this is still double displacement. Very good. This is still double displacement. So, exchange partners pa rin sila ha. Again, exchange partners pa rin tayo here. Mag-erase muna natin ito. Okay. So, this is copper nitrate. Copper nitrate and then H2S. Looking at their charge class, si copper dyan, positive 2. Andito yung 2 niya, oh, nasa kabila kasi cross multiply or crisscross, I mean. And then nitrate is supposedly negative 1. Dito, si hydrogen, we all know that it belongs to group 1, so positive 1 yan. Pero si sulfide, nasa baba ito ni oxygen sa periodic table, so negative 2. So again, pag mag-exchange partner sila, ang positive dito, mag-partner sa negative sa kabila. So, ano yung product nito? Tawag ko na ba lahat? Let me check ulit ba kung meron pa akong hindi na dinig dito na bosses. Narinig ko na ata lahat, no? Sige, who wants to answer this one for additional na participation na points? Yes, Aya?
May question po muna ako, ma'am.
Okay, sige.
Kasi po yung sa experiment po natin, ma'am, ang gigamit po ata sa copper at sa zinc at saka sa barium po is
Chloride?
CuCl. Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Pwede
Alright.
yan siya. Kasi during the experiment, you may either use the nitrate or the chloride. Chloride pala yung ginamit doon. Sige. Pwede natin ito siyang palitan. Wait lang, erase ko. Di pala nitrate yung binigay sa atin. So this is just CuCl2. And then, ay, na-erase siya tanan. Ulitan na lang siya sulat. We have CuCl2 ito plus the H2S. So, sige, exchange partner sila. Ano yung magiging? Parehas lang yung charge. Yes, Erica? Ay, restricted siya. Ano
Ang
yung?
product,
Ha?
ang product na po, ma'am, no?
Yeah, isa lang.
CUS po, ma'am.
Okay, CuS. So, that is the first product, copper. And then, ang sulfur dito sa kabila. So, parehas silang positive 2. So, no need mag-crisscross. Kaya siya CuS. Okay, sulat natin siya dito. CuS. And then, the other product, yes, Noeline? Ano yung naiwan?
2HCl po, ma'am.
Okay, HCl. So this is HCl. But as you can see, class, hindi yan siya balance kasi dito may dalawa ang chlorine, sa kabila isa lang. So we need to balance this equation first. So pag i-balance na natin siya, since dalawa ang copper dito sa reactant na side, sa product na side isa, pwede tayong maglagay ng 2 dito. So, para dalawa na yung chlorine, pero dalawa na yung hydrogen. Kaya lang, looking back at the reactant na side, dalawa din naman yung hydrogen sa taas. So, to balance this, lagyan nyo lang ng 2. Okay? So, again, lagyan nyo lang ng 2. Yes, Ibret, do you have question? Or clarification?
Ay, wala po, ma'am.
Okay. So, yung precipitate natin, class, ito yon, ha? Yung CuS. Ang tawag natin sa CuS, ang pangalan yan? The chemical name for that? Yes, Joraj?
Copper sulfide, ma'am.
Okay, copper sulfide. But please take note, dalawa yung ating charge sa copper, positive 1 or positive 2. But since this is CuS S is -2, so automatic this is +2. Lagyan niyo siya ng Roman numeral, copper 2 sulfide. So si copper 2 sulfide class, looking at your experiment ha, ang color nito is?
Black.
Okay, very good. It's black. It's color black. So tama inyong gisulat din ha sa inyong worksheet. Tama, HCl and then H2S. So how about sa zinc? Let's see kung tama gihapon na inyong gibutang din ha sa inyong zinc. What is the precipitating reagent of our zinc? Yes, Angela.
H2S po, ma'am.
Okay, H2S pa rin. Okay. Ay, wait lang. May sulat ko siya. Actually, to be specific, this is H2S in the presence of ammonium ion. So, pwede niyo siyang either you use the H2S or since merong ammonium ion, you may use the NH42S. Okay, ammonium sulfide. Pwede siya. Idiretso niyo siyang ammonium sulfide. Pero ano talaga siya? Hydrogen sulfide in the presence of ammonium. So, in the equation, you may use either of the two. Ammonium sulfide diretso or hydrogen sulfide. You will actually get the same precipitate. Okay? Whether you use hydrogen sulfide or ammonium sulfide. So, zinc chloride, no? Ang ginamit natin sa experiment, hindi nitrate. So, zinc chloride, that's ZnCl2 plus, example, H2S yung ginamit natin. Pwede din ammonium sulfide ha, depende sa inyo. Check pa rin yan siya, tama pa rin yan siya. So, exchange partners pa rin ito. So, just like the other two, this is still double displacement. So, exchange partners pa rin tayo, ZnCl2 plus hydrogen sulfide. So, before mo i-exchange yung partners dyan, check mo muna yung charges. Si zinc, +2 yan. It's a transition metal. Si chlorine is -1. Si hydrogen, +1. Ito naman, -2. So, ang mag-partner, ang positive and ang negative. So, ano yung product nito? Yes, Jasmine?
ZNS po.
Okay, ZNS. ZNS lang siya ha, wala siyang subscript. Bakit? Si zinc, +2. Si sulfur or si sulfide, -2. So, +2 plus -2 is equal to 0. No need mag-crisscross. So, we have here ZNS. Okay, what's the remaining product? Yes, Shaira?
NH4Cl po.
Okay. In your case, you use the ammonium sulfide, so NH4Cl. That is still
Yes po,
correct.
ma'am.
That is correct. In my case kasi I use the hydrogen sulfide, so the remaining product here is H.
HCl po.
Okay, very good. It's still HCl. Okay? So, either of the two ha, if you use the ammonium sulfide, your answer there is ammonium sulfide. Okay? Sige. So, our precipitate here, ano yung precipitate natin dito? Yes, Aya?
Zinc sulfide po.
Okay, this is zinc sulfide. By the way, question, is this already a balanced equation? Yes, Eunice?
No pa po, ma'am.
Okay, hindi siya balance. Zinc isa for both reactants and products. Ang chlorine, dalawa dito sa kabila isa. So, pwede natin siya lagyan ng 2 here.
Opo.
Okay, very good. Para maging 2 din ang chlorine, 2 ang hydrogen, pero sa taas, 2 naman na siya. So, this is already balanced. So, again, Our precipitate here is the zinc sulfide. Okay, we call this zinc sulfide. No need for Roman numerals ha, kasi isa lang ang charge, ang oxidation state ni zinc. Okay, anong color nito? Yes, Andrew?
White.
Okay, this is color white. Okay? Ayan, hapit na ni siya makumpleto. Anong na-erase ko ng 1 din? Shy 1. I hope tama inyong answer din ha. Okay? So again ha, yung ating zinc hydrogen sulfide in the presence of ammonium, or just can call it ammonium sulfide. So you may use hydrogen sulfide in the equation, or you may use ammonium sulfide. Sige, let's move on to the next one, the barium. What is the precipitating reagent for barium? Yes, Angelica.
Ano po, ma'am? NH42CO3 po.
Okay, very good. NH4CO3, or we call that, ang tawag dyan sa kanya? Yes, Angela, how do you call this?
Ammonium carbonate po, ma'am.
Okay, that is ammonium carbonate. Isulat ko ha, this is ammonium. NH4 is ammonium, and then CO3 is carbonate. Okay. That's the name of the precipitating reagent. Okay, now let's have our equation. Chloride pa rin yung ginamit sa experiment, no? So let's just use barium chloride here. Barium chloride is BaCl2. Kasi barium is positive 2. Nasa group 2 yan ng periodic table. Do not forget the arrangement sa periodic table, ha? You're still not allowed to use periodic table sa exam. And then chlorine is -1. So this is not equal to 0. That is why mag-criss-cross ka dapat. Kaya ang correct chemical formula ng barium chloride is BaCl2. Okay? Plus the ammonium carbonate. Wait lang kay mahaba. This is NH4 2CO3. Okay, bakit yan siya NH4 2CO3? Remember, si ammonium is +1. It's a polyatomic ion. You may look at your index cards now para ma-refresh kayo sa charge ni ammonium. And then si carbonate is -2. So this is not equal to 0. So again, you do the crisscross. So yung 2 ilagay mo kay ammonium. Now since this one is a polyatomic ion, kaya ilagay mo siya inside an open and close parenthesis. And then yung CO3 1 lang, so no need to write 1. Kaya siya NH4 2CO3. Tapos mag-exchange partners sila. Wait lang, erase tayo. Okay. Mag-exchange partners sila. So we have here barium chloride plus the ammonium carbonate. Exchange partner sila, positive and negative pa rin ha. Barium is +2, chlorine is -1, ammonium is +1, carbonate is -2. So mag-exchange yan, positive here and the negative sa kabila. So what is the product? Yes, Iverette?
BaCO3 po.
Okay, BaCO3. Ba and then CO3. So, wala nang ibang subscript dyan. Bakit? Kasi parehas silang -2. Si barium, +2. Si carbonate, -2. That is equal to 0. No need for the crisscross. So, idugtong mo na lang yung kanilang mga symbols. Tapos, what's the remaining product? Yes, Andrew?
2NH4Cl po.
NH4. Sige, may 2 siya later. Sige, NH4 Cl. So, parehas silang 1. Positive 1 sa NH4. Si Cl is negative 1. So, again, no need for the crisscross. So, as is yan siya, NH4Cl. Pero again, this is not a balanced equation. Let us see, barium sa reactant isa, sa product isa. Chlorine sa reactant dalawa, sa product isa. So, you may add 2 here para maging 2 din ang chlorine. Pero kasama niya si ammonium. So, naging dalawa din si ammonium. Pero looking at sa taas, dalawa naman talaga ang ammonium. So, this is already balanced. Si carbonate, isa-isa lang din sila. So, again, this is already a balanced equation. So, alin dito yung ating precipitate? Yes, Reina.
Barium carbonate po.
Okay, barium. This is, article ko na dapat color coding. Tapos na-erase na yung akong mga ipang sulat. Wala na siya. This is zinc sulfide here. And then this is 2HCl. Patulak mo lang. Okay. So this is BaCO3 or we call this barium carbonate. Ang color nito? Yes, Rika?
White po, ma'am.
Okay, this is color white. So, ayun na siya. Now, si sodium was left during the experiment. So, ang answer natin dito, sa precipitating reagent. Anong sinagot niyo dyan? Anong sinagot niyo dyan? Aya, anong sagot niyo dyan? Aya? Wala.
No precipitation po, ma'am.
Okay, so lagyan niyo lang Na dito. Na yan siya lahat dyan. Kasi we don't have a common precipitating reagent for sodium and yung mga kasama niya sa group. Okay? Si sodium, yung group 5 natin, in which naka-include dyan si sodium, wala kasi silang precipitating reagent na isa lang talaga. Iba-iba talaga sila ng precipitating reagent. So, group na lang sila as one. Yung mga no reagent group, ang tawag natin sa kanila. Okay, again, no reagent group ang tawag natin sa kanila. So, wala tayong ma-answer dyan sa precipitating reagent and then wala din tayong definite na equation for them and also the name of the precipitate. So, lagyan nyo lang ng Na. Okay? So, lagyan nyo lang din ng conclusion sa baba, ha? What have you learned in this activity? Okay, questions sa activity number 6. Yeah, pwede din no reaction ang ilagay. Anything else? Before tayo mag-move on. Yung class sa yun, ito yung i-open ko. Wait lang. Ay! Close. Close siya. Anyway, that was done naman na. Activity 7 na tayo. Sige. Kasi activity 7, medyo mahaba-haba ito. And at the same time, marami kayong i-memorize dito. Wala na question sa activity 6. Okay, mag-activity 7 na pa. Okay? Sige. So, ito, experiment number 7, reactions of the silver group. Actually, ito yung sa group 1. 'Di ba kanina may group number 1 tayo, doon na belong si silver, and then their precipitating reagent is hydrochloric acid. Ang tawag actually sa group 1 ay silver group. Okay, again, ang tawag sa group 1 is silver group. Okay, they are ions separated as chloride because their precipitating reagent is the dilute solution of the hydrochloric acid. So in short, that is HCl. Okay, yan yung kanilang precipitating reagent. Okay? So that is why either we call them the silver group or the chloride group. Now, aside from the precipitating reagent and then the name of the group, you have to be familiar with the members also. So in this case, in the laboratory, group 1 only, meron lang siyang tatlong group. It has only three members, I mean. 3 members ang group 1. So, silver na yung kanina, that was a representative actually of group 1, si silver. But kasama niya sa grupo si lead na positive 2, and then si mercury na positive 1. So, we call it mercurous mercury. Positive 1 yan siya ha. Kaya lang kasi si mercury, pag positive 1, dalawang atom siya, diatomic siya. So, kaya Hg2. And since dalawang atoms yun siya, pag inad natin yung positive 1, tas dalawang atoms, so that is positive 2. Kaya siya nakalagay dyan positive 2. Pero Hg2, positive 2. Mercurous mercury ang tawag dyan. Pag mercury kasi yung positive 2 na charge, Hg positive 2 lang talaga siya. Wala siyang subscript na 2. Yan yung pag pinagkaiba ni mercurous mercury and ni mercuric mercury. Okay? So again ha, tatlong members itong silver group natin or yung ating chloride group na ang precipitating reagent ay hydrochloric acid. Okay? Now, si silver yung unang member nitong grupo natin is a univalent ion. Pag sinabing univalent or univalent, isa lang yung charge niya. Positive 1 lang talaga. Okay? Again, positive 1 lang talaga si silver natin. It's an oxidizing agent. Wait lang, nanawag si Dean. Excuse me, sir. Dito na tayo. Sa silver na tayo. So, it's an oxidizing agent. So, pag sinabing oxidizing agent si silver, it will cause oxidation to other substances or to other metals. But si silver itself, pag i-oxidize niyo na yung iba, siya naman yung ma-reduce. Okay? Okay? So, i-reduce siya into metallic silver which is color black. Pag na-reduce si silver ion, magiging silver na lang talaga siya without the charge. So, it's a metallic silver. And then the metallic silver again is color black. So, yan yung nangyayari sa mga silver nyo na mga jewelries, for example. Pag nangingitim na yan, meaning nare-reduce na siya into metallic silver. Okay? And metallic silver, it's color black. Now, ito yung mga important compounds of the silver. Actually, yung answer class, doon sa table, kung hindi man natin siya na-perform during the lab experiment, actually, nandito lang din siya sa worksheet. Yung mga correct answers, for example, si silver nitrate or si silver chloride, pag nabuo si silver chloride, soluble ba siya sa water or sa ammonium hydroxide? Nandito lang din yung tamang sagot noon. Okay, sa table ninyo. So yung compounds ng silver, yung ginamit natin in the experiment was silver nitrate. So ito yung mafo-form si silver nitrate pag pinaghalo natin si silver metal mismo with nitric acid. Okay? So ito yung pinaka-common na compound of the silver kasi madali lang talaga itong gawin in the laboratory, and at the same time, it is the most soluble salt of silver. Now, the second one naman is si silver chloride. Si silver chloride itself is a white curdy precipitate. Okay? This is formed if silver is reacted with hydrochloric acid, kagaya nung sa experiment natin. Okay? Diba? Ang ginamit natin doon, this is the equation. Silver nitrate plus the hydrochloric acid, it will yield the silver chloride. So may nakalagay na arrow down, it's the precipitate and its color white. The other product is the nitric acid. Okay? So kung instead of hydrochloric acid naman ang ginamit is ammonium chloride, you will still get the silver chloride as a white curdy precipitate, but the other product is ammonium nitrate. Okay? Now please take note that silver chloride, the precipitate silver chloride is only slightly soluble in hot water. So please check your answers there in the table. If yung under sa silver, di ba may 2-2A, may nakalagay doon, solubility in boiling water. Ano ba ang nilagay nyo doon? Kasi silver chloride is only slightly soluble in hot water. 'Di ba na-form na ang precipitate pag nilagyan mo siya ng boiling water class, ma-dissolve siya pero hindi lahat, kaya slightly soluble siya. Aside from hot water, it is also slightly soluble in acids. Okay? But it is somewhat soluble in higher concentrations of chloride ions forming complex ions, which is relatively unstable. Pag nilagyan mo siya ng for example, ammonium chloride or excessive na hydrochloric acid, pag marami masyadong chloride, it becomes somewhat soluble. Okay? But, meanwhile, si silver chloride na nabuo doon sa experiment natin is readily soluble. So, soluble siya sa aqueous ammonia, sa alkali cyanide, and sa sodium thiosulfate. Okay? Mag-form kasi siya ng complexes with these reagents and magiging soluble siya. So yung sa experiment natin, 2-2B, solubility in ammonium hydroxide, aqueous ammonia yan siya, ammonium hydroxide, the answer should be soluble. Please check ano yung sagot nyo dyan. Kung na-dissolve ba, dapat kasi ma-dissolve yung precipitate na yon pag dinagdagan nyo siya ng ammonium hydroxide or yung ammonia, aqueous ammonia na ginamit natin. So ito yung magiging dapat equation, the silver chloride, pag-react siya with ammonium hydroxide, mag-form kasi siya ng complex, the silver ammonia chloride or silver ammoniated chloride. And then the remaining product is 2 molecules of water. And then, pag sa potassium cyanide mo naman siya pinareact, you will get potassium silver cyanide. These are all soluble in water, so wala tayong makikita na precipitate here. And then the silver chloride, pag pinareact siya sa sodium thiosulfate, will get supposedly sodium silver thiosulfate. This is the silver sodium thiosulfate. So the other product is the sodium chloride. Okay? If we are going to dissolve silver chloride to nitric acid though, it is only slightly soluble. Even if i-boil pa natin siya, it will not really be dissolved completely. Okay? So yan yung characteristics of our silver chloride. Now, we have other silver halides. Pag sinabing halides, we are talking about halogens. They are the members of the group 7A in the periodic table. So, starting from fluorine. You can still remember the arrangement of the periodic table. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and then iodine. So, pag sinabing silver halides, combination yan siya ng silver and ng halogens natin. So, nauna na nating i-discuss si silver chloride. It's actually a silver halide. So, yung iba, meron tayo ditong combination of silver and bromine. We call that silver bromide. Si silver bromide naman, if makita natin ang precipitate nito, it's actually cream in color. So, hindi talaga siya white. It's cream, pero it's still a curdy precipitate, which is slightly soluble in ammonia. Pag silver iodide naman, it's still a curdy precipitate. Curdy, kanang naga-curd siya na precipitate. Kita mo ng milk na nag-curd na dugay ninyo siya gipastad, wala ninyo siya giinom na panos na siya. Like that, yung kanyang appearance. So, we have color yellow naman pag silver iodide. Okay, so this is very slightly soluble in ammonia also. Now, itong silver ammonia complex, ito yung nabuo dito. Ito yun. Ayan, kung ang silver chloride supposedly ilagay mo siya sa ammonia or sa ammonium hydroxide, you will produce silver ammonia complex. Okay, so like silver and then the ammonia. Okay, so ano siya? This one is a very stable complex between silver and ammonia. Pero pwede natin siyang ipaghiwalay if we want to get the silver and then the ammonia. And then this is actually a good trap for our silver ion. Pero kung makuha natin yung silver natin. Kung meron siya sa ore, lagyan mo siya ng ammonia, you will really get the silver ammonia complex. And then sa laboratory, paghiwalay mo na lang siya para makuha mo talaga yung pure silver. Okay? And then we have here silver hydroxide. Okay? So ito na yung doon sa, if you please look at your table. I hope you are looking at your table now. Ito yung sa test solution plus the ammonium hydroxide and then sa 2-4, the test solution plus sodium hydroxide. Kasi, di ba yung ginamit natin sa experiment, silver nitrate, pag pinareact mo yan siya sa sa sodium hydroxide, magkakaroon ng precipitate. And then the precipitate, may nakalagay arrow down, is actually the silver hydroxide. Okay? However, silver hydroxide kasi is really unstable even at ordinary temperature. So, if we are going to look at the compound talaga na ano siya, na uuwi siya, nagde-decompose siya, hindi mo talaga makita doon sa solution yung silver hydroxide kasi most of the time nagde-decompose siya into this one, the silver oxide. Okay? So, pag na-complete na yung reaction talaga, mawawala lang din yung silver hydroxide, you will see the silver oxide. Pero parehas lang yung color nila. Parehas lang. Okay? It's actually brown. It's brown, the silver hydroxide. So, kung ang ginamit mo naman in the precipitation is the ammonium hydroxide, ito naman yung equation. Silver nitrate plus ammonium hydroxide, you will get the silver hydroxide. Okay? So, you will still get silver hydroxide even sa 2-3 and then sa 2-4. Okay? And then, we will get the same precipitate, silver hydroxide, which is color brown. Okay? Pero kung excessive na reagent kasi, di ba sa 2-2b, may nakalagay dyan, 2-3 lang pala, A, may nakalagay dyan, solubility in excess ammonium hydroxide. Yung silver hydroxide is actually soluble. Okay? Anyway, I'll give you a copy of the table later. Sagutan din natin yung table later para klaro sa inyo kung soluble ba siya or hindi. Kasi yung sa sodium hydroxide, insoluble kasi siya. And then moving on, we have the silver cyanide. Okay, it's a precipitate form pag ipinaghalo mo yung silver sa alkali na cyanide. Okay, so just like this one, silver nitrate, pag pinareact mo siya sa potassium cyanide, you will get the precipitate called silver cyanide. So again, that is the precipitate. Okay? And then, si silver cyanide, pag dinagdagan mo pa ng excess amount of the potassium cyanide, you will get a complex called potassium silver cyanide. Okay? Or we call that argenty cyanide. It's a complex kasi tatlo na yan. Dalawang metals, and then another one na negatively charged. In this case, it's the cyanide. Okay? And then, andito din sa worksheet yung chromate. Kasi 'di ba sa 2-5, test solution plus the potassium chromate. So, ang mafo-form actually niyan is the silver chromate. So, ang color dapat nun is brownish red. Tama ba sa experiment niyo? I hope you got the brownish red na silver chromate during the experiment. So ito naman is soluble in acids, in potassium cyanide, and even in ammonium hydroxide. So ito dapat yung equation yan. Okay, kasi 'di ba naghingi ng equation doon? 2 silver nitrate plus the potassium chromate will give you the silver na chromate. Okay, it's the silver chromate. And that is for the silver. Any question? Or clarifications? Medyo mahirap yung ating exam sa laboratory, sa finals. Sa midterm, hindi ko pala nasa uli yung paper niyo, no? Pero I'm done checking your midterm laboratory exam. Yung isang paper lang talaga siya, may naming, may balancing doon, 'di ba? And then, ano pa yun? Quantum numbers. Yung highest nun is 65/65. As in, meron naka-perfect sa lab exam ko sa midterm. Okay. Si Rachel. Okay. Yung iba, bawi na lang ha. Kaya ang uban, wala answer dito sa most of you perfect doon sa quantum numbers. Pero yung karamihan sa inyo, hindi nakasagot doon sa first part. Yung you have to predict the products of the reaction and then i-balance nyo ang equation. Yun mostly yung mali ng iba sa inyo. Pero perfect si Rachel doon. As in lahat. Okay, so let's have the second element. We have the lead. Okay, si lead class, dalawang charges ito, the plumbous and the plumbic, +2 and +4. However, yung member sa group 1, again, ang member sa group 1, kasama ni silver is yung plumbous lang. Yung +2 ang charge. Okay, so let's discuss the compounds of lead. We have here the lead nitrate, which is the most important among all the lead compounds. And nafo-form ito if ipa-react mo yung metallic lead, as in lead lang talaga, tas i-dissolve mo siya sa nitric acid, mabubuo yung lead nitrate. So, hindi ko alam kung ito ba yung ginamit natin sa experiment or lead chloride. Lead nitrate ata yun. Lead nitrate yun siya, pinareact natin sa HCl. Anyway, other compounds of lead, we have lead sulfate. It's a white precipitate and nafo-form ito if aqueous or dilute acid solutions of lead is reacted with sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. So ito yung equation para mabuo yung lead sulfate. Lead nitrate, ipa-react with the sulfuric acid. This is the time we'll get another compound which is called the lead sulfate. Okay? Now, may kasama siyang product dyan, and that is syempre, nitric acid. So, if you want to just get the lead sulfate, yan yung kailangan natin ng evaporating process para to get rid of this other product, the nitric acid. Okay, so lead sulfate is soluble in ammonium acetate due to the formation of the soluble weakly ionized lead acetate. So ito yun, lead sulfate, pag pinareact mo siya with ammonium acetate, this is the ammonium acetate, you will get the lead acetate. Okay, which is soluble. So actually wala kang makuha na precipitate dito kasi lead acetate is stable and nadidissolve siya. Okay? So lead sulfate, however, is soluble in alkali hydroxides with the formation of the plumbites. Pag si lead sulfate naman, ihalo natin kay sodium hydroxide, magkakaroon ng product pero wala kang makitang precipitate. Okay? So, ang product nun is the sodium plumbite, nakabold yan siya, pero again, soluble siya. So, again, walang precipitate pag si lead sulfate pinaghalo sa sodium hydroxide. Okay? Then next, I think ito, ginawa natin sa experiment, si lead chromate. Kasi meron tayong 2-5 na the test solution plus the potassium chromate. So, ito yon. This is the test solution, the lead nitrate, tapos i-add natin siya sa potassium chromate, makukuha natin yung compound, the precipitate, which is called the lead chromate. And I don't know if tama ba yung sagot niyo dyan. It's a yellow precipitate. Okay? Again, it's a yellow precipitate. Which is, wait lang, insoluble in acetic acid but soluble in nitric acid and caustic alkali. So, di ba 2-5A, solubility in sodium hydroxide. Actually, si lead chromate is soluble sa sodium hydroxide. So, dapat soluble yung answer niyo dyan. Yung mafo-form niya kasi na product, this one, the sodium plumbite, it's soluble. Okay? Again, it's soluble sa sodium hydroxide. Ito yung sa nitric acid pero hindi natin ito pinerform sa lab. Yung supposedly lead chromate, dagdagan mo siya ng nitric acid. It's still soluble. You will get the lead nitrate and then the chromic acid. So, walang precipitate dyan. Now, another compound for lead is the lead sulfide. So, makukuha natin ito by reacting the lead nitrate and the hydrogen sulfide. Makukuha natin si lead sulfide, which is color black. Okay, it's color black. It's soluble in acid. Ito yung kanyang equation. The lead sulfide, this is capital letter S. Pag nilagay mo siya sa nitric acid, you will get lead nitrate, a nitric oxide, the sulfur, and the water, which are all soluble. So you will not see a precipitate there. Okay? However, if the precipitation is carried out using HCl solution, ang makukuha natin na precipitate naman is orange-red precipitate, which is the lead sulfochloride. Okay? Pag ganito yung step, hindi natin ito ginawa sa laboratory ha. Lead nitrate plus HCl, you will get lead chloride. Tapos, pag pinareact mo na si lead chloride with the hydrogen sulfide, yan yung makukuha natin. The lead sulfochloride, which is orange-red in color. Okay? And then, excess reagent, excess na hydrogen sulfide, pag nag-react doon sa precipitate, will yield lead sulfide. So, ito na, which is color black. Okay? Maraming steps na ginagawa sa laboratory para lang makaproduce ka ng certain chemical. So, iba-iba yung process. This is another process. Mahabang step siya kasi we will start with the HCl before we'll get this one. Okay? The final product is the lead sulfide. Okay? So, si lead sulfide can also be formed in the laboratory using another chemical naman. Ito, the sodium plumbite. Tapos, ipareact mo siya sa hydrogen sulfide, you will still get the lead sulfide. So, this is the third na way on how to get the lead sulfide in the laboratory. Okay, maraming process si lead sulfide. And then another compound for lead is the lead hydroxide, which is color white. So, andito din yung sagot sa experiment natin. Kasi diba the lead nitrate, pinareact natin sa sodium hydroxide, di ba? 2-4. So, ito yon, the lead hydroxide will be formed and it's a white precipitate. Kindly check kung tama ba yung sagot niyo dyan sa lead hydroxide na yan. It's color white and it's actually soluble in the excess na sodium hydroxide. It will form plumbites and plumbites are readily soluble. So, dapat soluble yung answer niyo doon. Now, si lead hydroxide can also be formed using the the ammonium hydroxide. So, yan yung sa 2-3, lead nitrate plus the ammonium hydroxide, you will still get the white colored precipitate, which is the lead hydroxide. Okay, kindly remove the 4 there. That is just nitric acid. Okay. And then lastly, we have the lead chloride, which is yung talagang answer sa 2-2. Si lead nitrate, pag pinareact sa hydrochloric acid, you will get this white precipitate, white crystalline na precipitate. So, it looks like a crystal, si lead chloride. Okay? So, which is soluble in boiling water pero insoluble sa ammonium hydroxide. Okay? Soluble lang siya sa, soluble pala siya, soluble sa ammonium hydroxide. Soluble both sa hot water and sa ammonium hydroxide. And then lastly, we have the mercurous mercury. So si mercury, dalawa din yung oxidation states natin. Meron tayong Hg2 positive, that is called the mercuric, and then the mercurous is this one. Hg2 positive 2. Pero ang member class sa group 1 is just the mercurous mercury. So, ito naman, konti na lang ito, mercurous nitrate yung supposedly gagamitin natin sa lab, pero sadly we don't have an available chemical for this. So we're not able to really do this in the laboratory. But supposedly ito yung gagamitin natin, which is the most important of all the soluble na compounds of mercury. So supposedly pag pinareact natin siya with the precipitating reagent, that is the 2HCl, we will get this one, the mercurous chloride. So dalawang way din paano mabuo si mercurous chloride in the laboratory. Pwedeng using the tin chloride, you will still get the mercurous chloride glass, or yung reagent talaga natin na HCl, you will still get this one, the mercurous chloride. This is a favorite board exam subject. Si mercurous chloride is color white, and yung kanyang common name niya in the laboratory is calomel. Okay, it's calomel. Okay, so si mercurous chloride, mabuo siya, 'di ba? Pag either you use HCl or tin chloride, pero pwede ka ding gumamit ng ammonium chloride. Mabubuo pa rin si calomel or si mercurous chloride. Okay? Pero, hindi kasi siya soluble sa ammonium hydroxide. Kung ginawa natin ito na experiment, tapos yung nabuo na precipitate, nilagyan natin ng ammonium hydroxide, hindi siya soluble. Magbubuo siya neto. This one is a precipitate. Ang tawag dyan is mercuric aminochloride, Hg and H2Cl. And then aside from that, may another precipitate pa siya na metallic mercury. So hindi siya dapat soluble here. Ilagay natin siya sa table, insoluble siya. Okay? So we will have our break first, tapos I will not be discussing the procedure anymore. Anyway, yung mga answers dyan sa mga blank sa procedure, ilalagay naman natin siya sa table. So after the break, sagutan natin itong table kasi medyo mahaba. And then actually, itong mga equation dyan, galing din yan siya sa table. Meron din tayong equation later. Okay? Questions or clarifications before tayo mag-break? Nagkaon na mo gaina, no? Ma'am, niud to, napsad mo ulit karon. Actually, wala ko nagkaon ka gaina, karon pa ko niud to. So, i-pause na to ang... Are you here? Please react first before we'll start. Basig na tulog na mo. Wala di ka istorya din, he. Sige. Okay, let us start. So we have here the first part. We have here the test solution. When you say test solution, ito yun ha. Silver nitrate, lead nitrate, and then the mercury nitrate. However, again, we did not perform this one in the laboratory, but we will just include here the answers. So, ano na lang siya. Yung tamang answers talaga na na-research na lang. Okay, so please copy ha, kasi I'll be deleting the writings in the screen from time to time. Kasi mapupuno din ito dito. Okay? So, Gil, so let us start. Where's my pen? Okay. So we have here the first one, the test solution. So example, the test solution plus the HCl. So you have to write here the color, the name, and the formula of the precipitate. But before that, let us write first muna yung equation. Actually, yung equation class, dito talaga siya isusulat sa baba. Dito niyo siya isusulat sa baba yung equation. So, isabay ko na lang sa taas lahat ha, para hindi tayo taas baba ng ating screen. Sa ano niyo na lang, sa paper niyo na lang isulat yung equation sa baba siya. Pero ito actually, ganito yon. Silver nitrate plus the HCl. Actually, this is the same with the first activity. So, ano ito, double displacement. So, Ag will now partner with the Cl. That's silver chloride. And then, ano yung naiwan? H at saka NO3. So, this is HNO3. Ito talaga yung equation. And yung isulat nyo ha sa baba. Doon sa 2-1. Ay, 2-2 ba yun? Okay, isulat nyo doon ang equation. However, dito class, this one is already balanced. And then among the two products, yung ating precipitate is actually this one, the silver chloride. So ilagay nyo lang dito. Ano ba color nito? Ano color nito? Yes, Angela.
Wala pong color, ma'am.
Ha? Angela? Answer na ka? Wala.
Colorless po siya, ma'am.
Colorless? It's not colorless. Di ba in your experiment, nag-precipitate siya. And yes, tama si Aya, it's color white. Again, it's color white. The silver chloride is always color white. So yan yung ilagay nyo dito, ha? Sa box. Okay? Now, solubility of the precipitate in boiling water. Kindly check your observation there if tama ba siya sa talagang answer niya. Kasi itong silver chloride is just slightly soluble in boiling water or in hot water. But it is soluble when it comes to the ammonium hydroxide. So we are talking about the precipitate here, the silver chloride, which is color white. It's slightly soluble to hot or boiling water, and it's soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Okay? And then, i-complete muna natin itong table before tayo magbaba later. So, answeran din natin ito. Yung equation nito naman, di ba? This is lead nitrate. So, PbNO32 plus yung ating HCl. That is our reagent. So, still, parehas lang. Double displacement pa rin siya. So, pag mag-double displacement, the lead will now partner with the Cl. So, Pb and Cl na yung magka-partner. Pero, check niyo muna yung charge before you write the chemical formula. Lead here is +2 while chlorine is, or chloride is -1. So, this is not equal to 0. Therefore, you have to do the crisscross. So, pag nag-crisscross na sila, Pb will have 1, pero no need to write that. And then chlorine will have a subscript of 2. So, yan yung correct chemical formula of lead chloride. Tapos, ano yung naiwan? Hydrogen and then the nitrate. Okay? So, si hydrogen is +1, si nitrate is a polyatomic ion, tapos -1 din yung kanyang charge, so that is equal to 0. No need to do the crisscross. So, as is yan siya. Wala na ko space. Dito ko lang siya sa baba ilagay ha, HNO3. Okay? Now, among the two, yung ating precipitate dyan, yung mga nitric acid, mga water, those are liquid substances. So, definitely they are not precipitate. So, yung kasama talaga nila yung precipitate class. And this is the PbCl2. How do you read that PbCl2? Yung pangalan yan? PbCl2? Yes, Aya?
Lead to chloride po.
Okay, lead. And then remember, dalawa yung pwedeng charge ni lead. So, lagyan mo talaga siya ng open and close parenthesis. So, this is lead chloride. Ang color nito? Ang color nito? Ng lead chloride. Based on your experiment, anong color ng precipitate na nabuo doon? Wala precipitate? Yeah, ay, hindi siya balance. Okay, let's balance that in a while. Anong color nito? It's color. Ano ba sa inyo? Anong color sa inyo, Aya?
White po.
Okay, very good. So, ang tamang answer talaga dyan, white. So, tama si Noeline, hindi yan siya balanced. So, how do we balance this? Lead sa reactant is 1, sa kabila 1. Ang nitrate, dalawa. Dalawa ang nitrate dito, nakapasok siya sa parenthesis. So, dito isa lang. Kasi wala siyang parenthesis, that is automatically 1. So, gawin natin siyang 2 by placing coefficient 2 here. Okay? So, dalawa na yung nitrate. Pero kasama niya si hydrogen. So, dalawa na si hydrogen sa product, pero sa reactant, isa lang. So, lagyan din natin ng 2 dito. So, dalawa na si hydrogen, kasama niya si chlorine. So, dalawa na si chlorine. On the other side, dalawa na originally sa kabila. So, balanced na. So, this is a balanced equation. Now, on the solubility, I hope nakuha nyo din ang tamang answer neto during the experiment. Yung solubility naman ni lead chloride sa boiling water, actually it's soluble. Pero actually upon standing, nagpo-form siya ng precipitate ulit. It's like a glistening needle pag mag-cool down na siya. Okay, pag nag-cool down, soluble siya kung boiling ang water, pero pag nag-cool down na, mabubuo na ulit yung precipitate. So, ganito na yung kanyang mukha. PPT is precipitate, ha? And then, on the other hand, it's still soluble sa ammonium hydroxide. Okay? So, ito naman, hindi natin ito na-perform, but let us still answer this one. We have here Hg2NO32. That is the mercurous mercury. Our precipitating reagent is still HCl. So, exchange partners ka pa rin dyan. Hg2, +2, This is how we write the mercurous mercury, ha. Hindi siya kagaya nung iba na, for example, lead. Lead is +2 and +4. Si mercury, dalawa din yung charge niya, pero yung lower charge niya is +1, pero you don't write it as +1 like this. Okay? The lower charge ng lead is written, wait. Why? Ayun yan. It's written like this. 2, +2. This is the lower charge na lead. It's the mercurous mercury. It's still +1 though, but it exists as two atoms. Diatomic siya. And then, yung talagang +2 na lead, the higher charge is written like this. Still +2, but without the subscript. So, Hg2, +2, and then ang partner niya na ngayon ay Cl, which is -1. So like if you do the crisscross here, kasi if we are going to add this one, this is not equal to 0. So 2 times 1 is still 2. So you just write it here, Hg2, tapos Cl will have the 2. Okay? That is the chemical formula. Okay? And then ano yung naiwan? It's the hydrogen and then the nitrate. So, kagaya nito, let's just copy it. HNO3. Okay? So, that is the equation. Sige. So, sa baba ha, tatlong equation yung isusulat nyo doon. Isa for silver, lead, and then sa mercury. So, i-balance nyo na lang siya. Hg2, pareha sila. Nitrate, dalawa dito. Sa kabila, isa lang. So, lagyan natin ng 2 here. But kasama niya yung hydrogen. So, lagyan din natin ng 2 dito. So, I think that's already balanced. So, sabi ko kanina, yung mga acids, mga nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, water, they are all liquid. So, hindi sila precipitate. So, ang precipitate natin dito is Hg2Cl2. Paano nga itong name neto? It's mercury. And then, ang charge niya, 1. 1 ha, 1 pa rin siya. Sinusulat lang siyang Hg2 +2 kasi diatomic siya. So, mercury 1 chloride and this is also white. Okay? However, insoluble ito both. Sa boiling water and at the same time sa ammonium hydroxide. Please copy first kasi mag-move ako pababa. And then let me know if it's okay not to move. Tihan gyud na ninyo tibuok ha pag mag-study mo sa sa atong exam. Laban Japan. Kan kayo. Answer pala. Ha, ganito sa exam, most likely. Naka-table. Sige na, okay na? Am I going to delete this now? Let me know. Wala nag-precipitate ang silver nitrate niyo? Dapat pag-precipitate talaga yan. Is, kasi kagaya ng inyong etong silver nitrate dito plus HCl, kagaya lang ito ng activity number 6. So, dapat mag-precipitate talaga yon. Ano kaya ang nangyari? Ba't hindi siya nag-precipitate? Okay, I think okay na. I'll be deleting all the writings in the screen already. And then let's move on. Dito na tayo sa 2-3. Ito class yung write the equation. Ha, dito niyo isulat yung equation na nilagay ko sa taas kanina. Yung dito sa box kasi precipitate lang, the name, the color, the chemical formula of the precipitate. Tapos dito sa baba, tatlong ano ito, equation dito sa baba. So 2-3. This one. Okay? Lagyan ko ng space ako. Maglagay ako ng equation sa taas. So ito, TS. TS is still the silver nitrate. Okay? So silver nitrate pa rin yan siya. Tapos ngayon, pinareact naman siya sa ammonium hydroxide. Kapag nag-react yan silang dalawa, class exchange partners pa rin. Silver and then the OH. Okay? Silver at saka OH. Kasi ito yung negatively charged sa kabila. Ito positive 1, ito negative 1. So, no need to do crisscross. So, AG, ulit. AG, OH lang talaga yan siya. And then, yung naiwan, ammonium at saka nitrate. So, ammonium and nitrate. So, parehas din silang positive 1, negative 1. No need to do the crisscross. So, this is still NH4 lang and then NO3. No need for parentheses. And since isa-isa lang sila dyan, if you want to check, you can check. Isa-isa lang talagang atoms yan and molecules for polyatomic ions. This is already a balanced equation. So, itong mga nitrates, nitric acid, nitrates, they are all in liquid form. So, yung ating precipitate dito is CaGOH. How do you call AgOH? What is the name? Kasi andyan na yung formula. Yes, Shaira, what is the name?
Silver hydroxide po.
Okay, very good. This is silver hydroxide. I hope tama na inyong gipang answer din ha sa inyong Okay lang kung baguhin niyo yung answer niyo. Huwag niyo ako pasahan ng grabe na erasure na activity ha. Kung for example, nag-answer na kayo and then nag-check tayo ngayon, nag-answer tayo ngayon, mali yung answer niyo and then you want to do it again, please do it again na malinis ha. Basi daghan kinag-correct inyong submission sa sunod. Okay, okay lang mag-erase. Okay? Kasi mahirap nga naman itong answeran. Okay, silver hydroxide. So this is the formula. This is the, the name. How about the color? Ano nakuha niyo na color nito? Nakalagay dyan sa mga niyo? Or wala nag-precipitate? Wala nag-precipitate? This is supposedly color brown. I hope nag-precipitate yun. Wala nag-precipitate. Anong wala nag-precipitate? Dapat nag-precipitate yan siya. Tapos pag nag-precipitate yan siya, tapos dinagdagan natin ng excess na NH4OH, dapat ano yan siya, soluble. Soluble dapat yon. Okay? Let's not just write na lang the formula of the product that is the same thing. Actually, ang product nito, pag dinagdagan mo pa ng NH4OH is just this one, which is still color brown, the silver oxide. Okay? So, ito naman, this one. This is, ano ito? Lead. Lead nitrate plus the ammonium hydroxide. Tapos, exchange partners ulit. So, PB will have the OH. PB and then OH na yung partner niya. But lead is positive 2 and this is negative 1. So, you have to do the crisscross here. Therefore, the correct chemical formula is PbOH2. Okay? So, this is PbOH2. Ano ang naiwan? Ammonium at saka nitrate. Gayahin na lang natin ito ha. NH4, NO3. Okay? So, yung ating precipitate ulit, PbOH2. How do you read this? What is the name of PbOH2? Yes, Andrew?
Lead to hydroxide.
Okay, very good. This is lead to hydroxide. Since dalawa yung charge ng ating lead, lagyan mo talaga siya ng Roman numeral. And ano kaya color nito? Nag-precipitate sa inyo? Wala. Let me know kung nag-precipitate. Okay, nag-precipitate. Correct. This is color white. Okay? And actually, if you add excess pa na insoluble siya. So, kung insoluble siya, it remains lead to hydroxide. So, no need for the product. Ito kasi soluble siya, so may product siya dyan. Okay? And then, ito naman, this is supposedly Hg2NO3. Ay, legit. Hirap magsulat sa screen. Ay, nairay siya tanan. Wait lang, class. Ulit mo siya sulat. Bakit? Na-erase siya until dito. Why? AgOH ito. And this is PbNO32. You copy ha, kaya the struggle is real. NH4OH. This is PbOH2 plus NH4 NO3. Ito, it's Hg2 NO32. NO3 yan ha. Plus the ammonium hydroxide. So you will get here Hg. Actually, hindi ito siya hindi ito siya the normal double displacement na reaction. Kasi ang product nito is a combination of the two. Hg and H2Cl plus meron kang mahihiwalay yung isang mercury and then merong water na ma-form and then meron ka pang NH4Cl na ma-form. So, again, this one is not a common double displacement reaction. So, like, in a sense, this is a combination reaction and at the same time, a decomposition reaction. Combination in the sense na you have here the combination of the mercury, itong NH2 from the NH4, and then Cl, may chlorine ka dyan na mafo-form. Actually, yung no, this is not HgNO3 pala, sorry. Wait lang ha. Mag-delete na sa ko, ma-erase na sa jatanan. Actually, yung talagang gagamitin dapat dito is the Hg2Cl2 para you will have this kind of product. Okay? So, yan yung mafu-form niya. So, yung precipitate talaga natin dito, dalawa. Itong Hg and H2Cl at saka itong mercury actually, yung metallic mercury. So, itong Hg and H2Cl, we call this, ammoniated mercury chloride. Yan yung name niya. Ito, mercury lang talaga ito. The metallic mercury. Okay? And if you are going to add more, you will get this one. This one is insoluble still. So, ang soluble lang to the excess ammonium hydroxide, itong silver hydroxide. So, both lead hydroxide and then yung ammoniated mercury chloride are insoluble to the excess ammonium hydroxide. Okay? Pag insoluble yan siya, wala yan siyang reaction. So, wala na din yan siyang new product na ma-form. Kung soluble, yun lang yung may new product na na-form. Kagaya nito, yung new product niya na ma-form is silver oxide, which is color brown. Okay? You copy and then I'll move forward. I'll move downward actually. Baba. It's color white. It's still color white. Actually, combination na ito kasi si ammoniated mercury chloride is color white and then si metallic mercury is color black. Wait lang, let me drink water. Wait lang ha. While you're copying, wait lang, mag-drink of water. Okay, let's finish this one. I'll be deleting the writings on the screen na ha. Ito naman, NaOH. Ganun pa rin yun. Parehas lang yan sila. NaOH lang itong isa. Ay, muli. Awa, ballpen na dyan ako nasulat sa akong tab. Okay. We have here the same thing. You will have silver nitrate plus NaOH. Exchange partners pa rin yan sila, class. So, AgOH pa rin. Pero this time, instead of ammonium nitrate, it's sodium nitrate. So, yung precipitate dyan, parehas pa rin. Kopyahin nyo na lang yung nasa taas, ha? Parehas lang yan sila. And then, this one is, sorry, this is lead. Lead nitrate plus NaOH. You will still get PbOH2, but this time it's NaNO3. Okay? And then ito, supposedly kasi ang gamit nito Hg2Cl2 plus NaOH. You can also use the nitrate though, pero you will just have a difference in terms of their product. Ito naman, yung mabuo is meron ka pa ring mercury. Yung, di ba dalawang mercury yan? Matatanggal kasi yung isa. Tapos yung isa HGO. So isang Hg and then yung oxygen dito. And then you will have water. So mercury reacts differently compared to the two products. Okay? So yung ma-precipitate dito, ganun pa rin, the mercury and this one. This is still color white. Color white pa rin ito. Ito din white. But this time, the AgOH, I have written this already kanina, no? This is color brown. Okay? Now, in terms of their solubility, this is insoluble. So, pag insoluble, no need for a new product, meaning walang reaction dyan. Ito naman, soluble siya. So, yung ibibigay niya actually is a plumbite. Okay? It's a plumbite. Yung kanyang product. Okay? It's PbO. And then, soluble siya. So, mawawala yung precipitate. And then, ito, insoluble. So, no need for a new product also. Okay? You copy? Hindi pa ako nakagawa ng exam sa lab ha, pero most likely this will be like a table. Especially for activity number 6. For activity number 7, I might have a table, but you also have to read the concepts above, yung enumerated na compounds of the members of the group, and then yung kanilang characteristics. Kasi yung ating precipitating reagent, HCl talaga, but meron silang mga kanya-kanyang reactions with other reagents, like reactions nila with sodium hydroxide, sodium or ammonium hydroxide, kasi that will differentiate one from another. Though silang lahat mag-react sa HCl, pero yung in terms of the reaction to other reagents, iba-iba sila. So, iba-iba yung color, iba-iba yung solubility. Okay? This is more on the identification of the substances. Ma-differentiate natin yung tatlong ito kasi lahat sila magre-react sa HCl. Let me clear the writings in the screen and then let us continue. Konti na lang ito. So, ito, this is potassium chromate. So, wala akong space. Sige, yan na lang. Dito na lang ha. you still have silver nitrate. Silver nitrate yan, tapos mag-react siya. Ito na naman yung kanyang reagent. Okay, the potassium chromate. So, exchange partners, you will have Hg2CrO4 kasi Hg is positive 1 and then the chromate class is negative 2. Kaya ka mag-criss-cross. Kaya may 2 dito sa silver. Okay? And then, yung naiwan is K and then NO3, no? So, potassium nitrate. Si potassium is positive 1, si nitrate is negative 1. Okay? So, hindi siya balanced. Saan siya hindi balanced? Sa potassium. So, lagyan mo siya ng 2 here. And then, lagyan mo ng 2 dito para si nitrate maging 2. Okay, balanced na siya. So, this time ha, sabi ko, nitrate is always in a liquid form. So, our precipitate here is this one. We call this silver chromate. Okay? I don't know kung nakuha niyo ba ito, but this is brownish red in color. Isulat yun na lang ha, silver chromate yan siya. And then, in terms of its solubility in NaOH, this one is insoluble. So, no need for a new product. Okay? And then, ito naman, lead nitrate plus lead nitrate. 2 ito. Plus potassium chromate. So, this will yield naman, exchange partners na naman sila ha. So, lead chromate naman ito. Pareha silang positive 2. Lead is positive 2, chromate is negative 2. So, no need for the crisscross. Kaya PbCrO4 na lang siya. And then, ang naiwan is KNO3. So, hindi siya balanced. Lagyan natin ng 2 here. It's already balanced. So, again, ito na naman yung ating precipitate. It's lead chromate. And supposedly, this is yellow in color. Okay, so please check. This is soluble though in water. Ay, in NaOH pala. Soluble siya. So pag na-dissolve yan siya sa NaOH, this will give us lead hydroxide. Kaya mag-criss-cross sila. Lead hydroxide. Let us not include this anymore. Okay? Dito lang tayo mag-concentrate. Kasi most likely wala masyadong reaction tayo with. I mean, hindi significant yung reaction sa mercury. Okay? So dito lang tayo. Ag, NO3 plus, this time naman the reagent is potassium iodide. So exchange partners, si Ag naman ang magpartner kay iodide. Both of them have positive 1 sa charge. So no need for the crisscross. And then ang naiwan is K and then the nitrate. This is already balanced, but the precipitate is the silver iodide. And na-mention ko ito kanina. It's a yellow curdy precipitate. Okay? Nakuha niyo ba ito? Nag-yellow ba siya? Kindly tell me if meron kayong nakuha dito. Sa lead lang. Wala siya nag-yellow. So, dito kayo nagkaroon ng reaction. This one is insoluble. And then, dito kayo nagkaroon ng reaction. Plus Ki. Exchange partners pa rin ito. So, PbI2. May 2 yan siya ha, kasi ang charge ng lead is positive 2. So, pag mag-criss-cross kayo, lead will have 1 and then iodide will have the 2 na subscript. And then ang naiwan is KNO3. Lagyan natin ng 2 dito para balanced siya. Okay? And then, ganun pa rin. Ang PbI2 yung ating precipitate. Here, anong color ng ano ninyo? Inyong precipitate dito. This is still insoluble. Ang color ng lead iodide. Yeah, tama. This is also yellow in color. So, parehas sila. Okay? So, please copy that. So, na-complete natin yung table. Let us not include the mercury na lang. And then, yung mga chemical equation sa baba nyo na yan, isulat ha. Ang isulat nyo lang dito sa taas, the color, the name, and the formula of the precipitate. Okay? So, ito yung ating kasama sa exam. I'm contemplating though if this will be a moving exam or a written exam, but mas malaki yung chance na written ito para you can really answer kasi most likely i-table ko siya. I-table ko din siya. So please do not forget the precipitating reagents and then the equation also, especially the balanced one. And then yung mga color dyan sa precipitate, those things are also important. Okay? Any question or clarification? Can I erase the writing sa screen now? So, exam na tayo next week. Singit ko lang yung mga quizzes sa exam. Okay, gahol tayo sa time. Okay? So, wala na. The equation na lang ito at saka conclusion. Hirap itong sa laboratory. Kasi, yung mga ions natin, they have different reactions. They will have different like names and colors of the precipitate. Actually, mas madali mag-study ng lecture kesa sa laboratory. Yeah, habol nyo lang siya. Next week na, pag nasa school na tayo. Pag di siya ibigay sa akin ngayon kasi we don't have faculty room, baka mawala siya ba? Wala akong mapaglagyan ng mga gamit.